In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Instagram QR code. So first, let's go to Instagram and then tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the menu button, which is the three lines at the top right, and then tap QR code. So from here, you are taken to the QR code creation screen. You can customize it by tapping on the color tab. You can change it to emoji or even a selfie. If you're in the color tab, just tap on the blank space to change the color, and the same with the emoji. Tap on the blank space and you can choose any emoji that you want. And in this page, you can also scan QR code. Tap on the bottom, and then let's try this QR code. Alright, so once you have created your Instagram QR code, just tap on the share button at the top right in order for you to share this QR code through your preferred application. And that is how you create your Instagram QR code. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.